But as night falls, back in House 3, today's challenge winners, Daniel and Jade, think they're in for a real chance to win Kitchen Week. Till they discover something very wrong with their cabinetry.
The problem is we've got these little screws that the jip rockers have punched straight through.
When the plasterers put up the bulkhead earlier today, they drilled straight into the cabinets with screws that were too long.
I looked above my head and I was like, oh,
and you can just see these little splits on the bottom. That was an issue straight away.
Oh my gosh. Devastating. It's just not fair.
Next door in House 3, Daniel is still dealing with the mistake his plastering team made yesterday.
When we ducked in here yesterday, we noticed that the boys that put the bulkhead in from the jip rock, yeah, the plasterer was told not to use the screws, and he did. It is what it is. It's an accident. It happens.
Daniel and his plastering team have had problems before.
Do you want to know the truth? And it doesn't really want to work in the house 3.
ah, okay.
They just want to go on. They doesn't want to stay a bit more to stay under high pressure. They just feel working. Thought they're smooth and they're happy.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
But rather than cause more friction, Daniel is taking a proactive approach to get the mistake fixed quick.
So we spoke to Kingsman late last night. They were excellent about 9 o'clock. So Bryce has ordered more boards. They should be here within the next day or so.
You know, it's just something we had to sort out how we're going to fix it, which we come up with a good solution.
Easy mistake, anyone can do it. You just don't want it to happen to you.